In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a live stream in Circle.so overview. By the end, you'll know the two simplest ways to go live, starting instantly or scheduling an event for later. I'll walk you through what each option does, where to find it, and a few practical tips so your session runs smoothly. Let's begin with Instant Live. This is perfect when you want to start a session right away, maybe for a quick announcement, a spontaneous Q&A, or an on-the-spot update. Look to the bottom left corner of your sidebar and click the Go Live button. The moment you click, a live session begins immediately, so make sure your microphone, camera, and lighting are already set and close any distracting apps. Think of Instant Live as a quick broadcast to your community. It's fast, it's simple, and it works best when you have a short agenda in mind. Keep an eye on your connection stability and consider a brief opening line to orient viewers, something like your topic, what they can expect, and how long you'll be on. Because it starts right away, there's no waiting period and no extra configuration steps here. Now, if you prefer to plan ahead, use a scheduled event. Navigate to an event space in your community and click New Event. This is your hub for organizing sessions people can see on the calendar and plan to attend. Once you're in the event setup, set the location to Circle Livestream or Circle Live Room. Circle Livestream is great for one-to-many broadcasts where you're presenting and your audience participates mainly through chat. Circle Live Room is more interactive, designed for sessions where you may invite people on screen, collaborate, or host a more conversational format. Choose the one that matches your style and goals. Next, configure the date, time, and visibility. Be mindful of time zones so attendees know exactly when to join. Visibility controls who can see the event. Keep it limited for a private community session or open it up more broadly if that fits your strategy. When everything looks right, publish the draft. Publishing makes the event visible to your audience so they can find it, bookmark it, and be ready when you go live. Before you hit publish, double check the session type, the timing, and who can view it so there are no surprises later. That's it. Use Instant Live when you need to move fast, and schedule an event when you want time to promote, prepare, and organize attendance. Happy streaming, and I'll see you in your next live session.